Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a brand new 2019 DRV Mobile Suites. This is a 38 RSSA. We've gotten a handful of these that showed up, so we have a nice inventory. Come on in, let me show you the details. This is going to have the nice MoreRide fold-out step. Nice light colors on the interior. Got the dinette table here right off the doorway on the door side. It's got the wooden wood balances that we opt as an option. Overhead cabinetry all the way in the slide, all the way down because of the tall slide. This table will extend out and extend a leaf. Inside here stored away, so we got a nice big kitchen table. 2 solid chairs, 2 more folding chairs in this build, stored underneath the bed. Cabinetry behind the chairs and in behind against the wall here at the dinette, with storage underneath the cushions in the dinette chairs. USB 110 plug-ins beside the countertop area there as well. This has the power seats. That's going to give us heat, cool, massage, power open and close. Nice big windows, dual day and night with the blackouts. Nice woodwork, the new sconce lighting on the pillars of the slide out, that's real nice. Nice big windows across the back end, nice panoramic view. Really nice elegant furniture, nice woodwork. Tabletops by each side of the couch as well. Overhead lighting, overhead cabinetry against the back end with the etched glass inlay cabinets here that's lit. So you got the backlit there at night, looks really, really nice. As we pan around to the off-door side, we have the fireplace. Puts out a nice amount of heat, looks really, really nice. Then above is the JBL soundbar with the big LG Smart TV. It's got a nice big drawer here that pulls out. Soft touch closed drawers. Storage beside each side of the fireplace. Nice solid wood. Beautiful cabinetry. Nice hinge work. Nice hardware. Above, lots of storage above. In this 38 you're going to find tons of storage throughout and a lot of counter space. So in the island here, nice big island with the double stainless squared sink. Very, very nice. Adjustable faucet, spray nozzle, hot and cold. This is going to have the nice big dishwasher. Nice, about as big as I found in the RV sector. Nice, lots of drawers throughout. Deep, solid drawers. Hinged stovetop cover. Nice big 3-burner griddle top cooktop with the new Furrion oven. 3 shelves, very large, direct spark ignition. Don't have to get down, light it with a match anymore. Cabinetry above throughout. Big, deep cabinets through everywhere. Very, very, very elegant. Very nice. I would absolutely test anybody to show me better cabinetry in the towable sector of the RV business. Solid surface backsplash. Underlit cabinetry. More storage. Garbage can. Nice big garbage can that's real easy to take out. The drawers, the big Whirlpool refrigerator freezer with a nice big deep freeze, dual drawer with a shelf, ice maker, filtered water with water dispenser built into the refrigerator, overhead cabinetry again. I mean, if you want cabinetry, this is definitely the model. Again, over here, Nice tall, big cabinetry here. Again, solid backsplash, more counter surface, more cabinet space. Lit. Then over here we have the appliance garage. That's a nice big one with a plug-in inside. Again, more drawers, more cabinets with another pull-out. This above cabinetry is all adjustable shelving. Control panel right in the doorway. And what's really nice with this particular floor plan is if we're traveling and we want to pull off the road, use the restroom, access the refrigerator, get into a couple cabinets or drawers, this floor plan makes it really, really easy. So just open the door. We don't have to move any slide outs out. Everything is really easy to access. Nice little coat hanger upper there. Into the bathroom. Washer and dryer, a two-piece or a combo, can be put in the cabinet in the bathroom. Big shower. Nice positive lock on the door. Very nice solid woodwork in the door. Going into the bedroom, nice king bed. Individual lighting, individual windows for fresh air. Overhead cabinetry. Fantastic fan to move the air around without turning the air conditioner on, which is a really nice feature. Mobile Suites always does the padded ceiling, so it obviously creates a nice sound deadening insulation and just makes it a real nice cozy home on wheels. USB and 110 plugins beside the bed. Storage underneath. This is where they provide the two folding chairs. You could put them anywhere you want. Walk into the closet. Well lit, cedar lined. Plug-in in the closet as well. Built-in safe, couple of drawers. Nice big clothes rod for hanging up the clothes. Pan over to the door side where we have the vanity with all 8 drawers. Cedar lined. Cedar in the bottom. Nice LG TV here. Blu-ray player. Again, the wooden valances. Nice window treatment. Very, very nice. Real elegant luxury coach. Individual laid planks in the kitchen floor and in the hallway as well. We'll go outside and show you some of the exterior details, but it's a beautiful coach. Dual power awnings, so we got one out on the dinette slide out as well as off the base of the coach with the Alumiguard safeguard covers over the awning material to make them last longer. Nice paintwork, full clear coat, no graphics, it's all paint, nice and smooth between the colors. Big huge basement on the door side. Very easy to access. Plumbing, electrical, furnace. Everything's real accessible. Nice big thick baggage doors. And that is a heated basement as well. This is an I-beam chassis, so that's going to set it apart from just about everybody else out there in the towable market. Nice big end caps. From the front all the way back and down is 2 individual end caps that are molded caps. More ride pin box. This one's going to have the generator already in it, the Onan 5500. Battery disconnect batteries and hydraulic system inside that cabinet. Large, very large. 2 10-gallon propane tanks on a pull-out tray. The other side, outside storage. This side we have the full copper manifold system, full house water filter, wool insulation, not Owens Corning fiberglass insulation. Very, very nice. The auto leveling system is on a remote, as well as being underneath inside the bay area, so it's not getting wet, causing it to go bad on you. Very large gas and electric hot water heater. Gate valves inside the compartment here. Water lines and cable lines all come up through the bottom, so we got a nice clean flush look here. As well as the Mobile Suites has a gray flush out in the gray tank, as well as a black flush system in the black tank. Real accessible for your draining. It's not underneath a slide out. Nice big slide. You're going to notice down here the 17.5 tires and wheels, H-rated tires, more ride independent suspension, wet loop bearings, tapered lug nuts so they don't come loose on you. 50 amp cord service with the power cord reel, just like you get on a big luxury diesel pusher motorhome, but all in a towable. Nice elegant look, outside scare light above. Nice big end cap on the back end with the big windows. Backup camera. Rear receiver hitch with plug-in. A little bit of extra storage on the outside corner here. Very, very pretty colors. Large assist handle going in. So this is just one of our mobile suites here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City. This is the 38 RSSA. I have a handful of mobile suites all in stock with different colors, exterior, interior, different floor plans. So if you need information on the Mobile Suites product, I'm very knowledgeable, love the product, been selling it for years. Again, it's Clay Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. You can call me direct at 541-979-1770. I can get into the details of the nuts and bolts with you if that's what you're looking to get into. So feel free to call me. Appreciate it. Thank you and have a great day.